OpenAI just launched something completely new, ChatGPT Atlas, the world's first AI-powered web browser built around conversation. First, the birth of Atlas. OpenAI believes that the next generation of the internet won't be powered by search bars, but by chat. Atlas reimagines the browser experience, putting ChatGPT at its core. No more endless tabs, cluttered bookmarks, or copying text between windows. Instead, your browser becomes a smart assistant, understanding context and performing actions for you. Second, core features. Chat anywhere on the web. With Atlas, ChatGPT is always by your side. You can highlight a sentence, click Ask ChatGPT, and instantly get help, whether you're writing an email or generating code. Browser memory. Atlas comes with built-in browser memory. It remembers what you've searched, read, or written, so you can ask things like, find that Google Doc about my ChatGPT Atlas project, and it instantly pulls it up. Agent mode. In agent mode, ChatGPT can take real actions, like booking flights, editing documents, or adding items to your shopping cart. You'll literally see the cursor move and click for you. Third, analysis of YouTube videos. Open any YouTube video. Click on Ask ChatGPT. Now prompt it to summarize the video. It will instantly result in the summarization. Fourth, redesigning search. Atlas even rethinks search itself, instead of static results. You get conversational search, with tabs for web, images, video, and news, all integrated into one interactive panel. You can ask follow-up questions without reloading anything. Fifth, future of browsing. Atlas launches today for Mac OS, with Windows and mobile versions coming soon. Agent mode is currently limited to ChatGPT Plus and Pro users. This isn't just another browser. It's your personal AI that knows and works for you. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe,